Alright guys, so this is this, what is that? Yourself an house top. Yeah, it is. Yeah man, so I go on there. Last night I load them thing, what they say now. Some sand and some gravel. Still need to load some more gravel because I don't know if I follow it come up and then cement and water. Then we go mix and cast. We need 2 more steel for this side. These are just some shore, you know, if we go underneath. Some palm, even like a lead, but you know, them active said what I want bamboo for use to. But people, we need 2 more steel. We'll buy them an idea, and then that's it. Pressure. Put in the light, so, and then I don't know, cast them up, and that's that. But people, tomorrow still, you know, thing guys. Yeah man guys, so I've got this about 4 barrel load, you know. That is that. Use those things up with a bucket there. You know, all night. We active still. You know, thing already. So we'll load up some cement tomorrow night or tonight, depends on the vibe, and then full this. So kind of water I can use to mix up and, you know, mix here so cast, and then that's it. We active. Hey man guys, so as I was saying before, just tomorrow I'll be doing some work on my house because the weather is nice now and it's almost Christmas again, man, so I say. You know, I outside too much, not the weather, but the weather pass now, and we say we want to jump out and get some work done before the weather come back, because we are like day and day after rain. You cannot do much work when it's raining, so tomorrow I want to go there and, you know, get some stuff done. But for today, it's a chill vibe. I stay home because ankle problem and them thing. Them say must stay home and get some, what's the name? Castor or anything there, and I'll not do my ankle, but I got some ice, you know, then ice my ankle and then that's it, you know. Just have chill for the day. I'm a farm. You guys know how it going, right? So I'm saying before when you come on to scotch them. I got sorrel, ginger. Things are going, man. People not so going. For the Christmas, yeah. Some sorrel for the Christmas, mix some sorrel juice. People, we drink sorrel all year round now, every Christmas. I said before, scotch them there too, you know. Pick up and touch on the market soon. Every 3 days, see, active. Cause about a couple days now, we not pick them, you know. So them active, you know. Actually, we got some little small plants for transfer, you know. Actually, see, I got people. Yeah, man. That's how we go, you know. I live on a big fast people every 3 everything and think of. Every one of them have some on them, you know. Yeah man guys, so that's how it is. Right on the farm, we got beautiful peppers ready for the market. Yeah. And the big one of people. See this big one? Look at these big ones. Nice, and they want a hot in the people. So they look pretty. One thing. Down a second. Down there my people. So you got now the heart everything. What do you think, man? 7. And so every tree you can think of, go down that side. Full of pepper. Pepper them, every one of them. Ready and waiting to be picked and shipped. And so before I was tell you guys, so make them stay on the tree and get dry and then we'll transplant them. So we got okra people we can plant, you know. Yeah, that's how we do it. Reactive. Alright guys, so the other day, yeah, I was, you know, chilling. I did a vlog and I posted it and this lady was mad at me because I was speaking English. She was like, every day I speak Jamaican. I know say you can't talk English in Anthony because I was watch every day I'm here. I say I can, but you know, I choose not to because yeah, yard man. Yeah. I man, brother. Nah, leave for the media, bro. You can love it. It's a different vibe, you know. So sell them people I'm sorry for everyone treat them ripe up and you know they have to get picked. I pick them since week, you know. So the whole week when I pick last week Friday, I wanna pick no more. And now today Monday. So you must know say ready I know. See treat them full. Man, if you start what like so like this, you're not gonna see them now. So then go to now. Make a one check. Make a one wild check. Them active. Them one of people these ones cannot hide now. These ones cannot hide. These ones look at how much leaf on them. Different these toys of people on this different tree now. Different scotch man. But them one I'm afraid of. Yeah. So go on there. Them one so other thing like whenever I do like you know these videos on the farm one thing, persons always ask me, oh I know which pepper at which one not at. Just try them. Just try them. You know, when I try them, then you'll find out. I can't tell you. Long way ago, no. I said try. You know what I mean? Yeah. There's some gung between them people. And this one, they say, on the fence line, bean, you know. Yeah. So, we got some viewers and subscribers that like the farm vlog them, so I gotta keep coming up here and updates and things. So, those who I really want to see a farm vlog, but I can't skip the video, you know. Yeah. Yeah, everything you got. You know you go. I did it because I love it, you know. And I did it for the higher part of the film. Obviously we got some okra and bean. We just replant and corns, you know. So look at the tree. Let me see people. Some corn. Alright guys, so this is the corn now and the peppers different. Yeah, so a pepper tree can stay for months, right? And keep reproducing. You get me? But the corn tree now once it reproduce like once, then that's it. Pick them there, cut them corn, that's it, replant. So that's why every now and then I wanna go see with some brand new corn plant night and also okra too, you know. When okra tree get kinda old, them kinda not really wanna produce them more because one okra tree produce a lot in its lifetime, you know. And then start produce less. So when it start produce less, it was chop him down and plant in family and keep the family moving, you know. Yeah. So that way you don't have like, you know, less production. Even though cause meanwhile a tree are going, you know, produce, you plant the younger ones so them grow up. And by the time the bigger one get, I don't know, life expand, kinda finish it, just have more can pick and consume or, you know, sell or give away. Yeah man guys, but our thing now, different, you know, thing girly. Sometimes we have like, I don't know, massive amount like this. No, should not have people. So we got like a massive amount of peppers so we cannot consume or give away because one person will take about 1 dozen pepper or so. But that's one tree. And if you give it to one person then all go to everything else. Sell them. Have to sell them. That's bad now, still eat pepper like a sweetie. And these ones, I said before. Once you try them, then you go find out. You know? Yeah. But maximum I can see every single one I treat them people full. Everyone I treat them people full. Everyone. But when people as the trees on the ground, literally, it's still full of beer pepper. So it is what it is. I don't think already. That's God. The people. So guys, the other day I did a video and I was saying like the reason why some pepper trees on the ground because when the hurricane had passed, we couldn't feel safe everyone, right? But I'm still alive, you know, I'm still produce. Some person say that I'm like, you know, that isn't really an excuse to me because I could do it. When hurricane pass, brother, we have house to check pan, business to check pan, family to check pan, so we can't focus on two look pepper tree and then people out there where you know I can't lose them life. I have a check pan people where need pepper tree can replant They must say I mean never want to fix a pepper tree then because I said brother. It is what it is, In life you have to just live because nobody have education so painful. But FIFA, as I said before, some of them drop down and some of them will fix them because I just say I check on when hurricane they pass people, I check on animal them, family them, us don't know friends and everyone people there way in the community make sure them alright before we can think about I don't think when hurricane pass people the road them block because I don't know we live on a big farm so the road the trees them in the road cut out them there so we can have access to the main road, to go in a ski man, the thing there, person I say, I mean never want to fix the pepper them. Pepper them alright, Them alright, My health come first, family, I don't know, and then think about farm badness. So guys, being that the fact that I don't know things right, we know where how it is during the hurricane or the aftermath, after hurricane, we now think about some people way. Think we might blow down or might not blow down. But afterwards now, when the same breath after the hurricane pass and check and do the right thing. We came over here and we did some fix up and things, see some of them, we got some stick, cut some of them. Some of them was like root out, don't know, to push them back down on the ground and put dirt on them, make sure so them can go and catch back a root, And as you can see, them still produce, so it's not really a big factor where it's a problem for we because we lose some pepper tree. We plant several after that, so so that's life. That's life, brother. Then they are young and them still produce. They don't plant a year, then still produce. Kind of people, those who like the person who consistently text and about sell. You can bet that people not about farming, So that's why I'm not ready. And even if them don't pay attention. But then people look at these big peppers. Look at them pepper. Look at the people. And look at the tree. Look at the tree. The tree is literally bending over to one car and it's still producing beautiful peppers. So what's the problem with you guys? I don't know. I don't understand. You just like to talk. Yeah, that's not good enough. Because man don't like the one but talking. When it comes to this YouTube thing, we just upload and it'll get off the media. Look at this underground. If we root up people, talk mash up. See it? See the root there? If we root up, mash up. See it? See that produce. Them still producing. So what's the problem? After a while now, like after a few months or so, within like 2, 3 months, 4 months, them ready. All them tree you see, pepper tree them gonna get, need them time, get dry up and thing, and then the new ones that I plant recently gonna come up and get bigger, and it's the same thing. So it's a cycle, understand? So don't expect them to go last a lifetime. Few months and them out, plant new ones, get new crops, and plant also. So that's what it's called, keep producing. You can't have one crop for 20 years, 30 years. It's not a coconut tree. So you wanna be So we got plenty scratch, and some bad bean. Yeah man guys, and also we got plenty other trees, I don't know, we got small stuff, but I just pepper them. Everybody has to pepper them, but everywhere I go, but they want to pepper them and she's active because I don't know. Scratch is life in Jamaica, everything must be spicy. And the curry people, the Jamaican national dish is Ackee. And curry without pepper, it's not curry. So we need pepper in everything. But what you just do, Ready to come man? No. Okay, so got some callaloo and down there got some bok choy. The corn over here the other day. I said before, once we get some corn for them, we'll cut them down. Yeah man guys, so as I said before, the corn over here the other day. See me? We'll pick them, cut down the tree them, and then that's it, you know. We're gonna replant some more down here. We plant some up there already, up the hill there. So we get some down here so too. Very soon. For now still people, so go and chill. I'm good now. We don't wanna call it. Then put cross on the farm, you know. If you guys see what cause the person been asking about, you know, more farm contents and things. So today I'm here. I'm about to pick them. I'm still gonna go look a video for you guys. So like the video and share the video, comment and subscribe. I understand. Yeah. Don't know the farming thing and people. It's a vibe, you know. Give you a piece of man and just like fishing, because when I go diving and thing and you're under the water, you just feel different, you know. Yeah. You're in a different world and anything can go on your life. So that's it. That's the vibe. I don't like living on the edge. Like you can go to the people, you're drone, you can go there, blackout, you can go there and shock, attack you. Anything can go on, boat run over you. Current dry away. Yeah, so the risk of dying out of sea is 100%. You know, so to go every day people and come back in, it's the goal, you know. Yeah, that's the ultimate goal. To go there and come back in is the goal. Because you can go there today and catch one fish, tomorrow catch two, get 3, 10, 20. But once you come back in people, you can go again the other day and get something, you know. So it is what it is. I just give God thanks every day when I go out there and come back in, you know. Come back in safe with all the limits them. But people might be fishing things still, they don't know me. The man where like dive deep, you know, people. So the risk of out there is very high, you know. Because when I dive in deep, people anything can go, especially when I dive deep and are you one, you know. But it is what it is. I don't know thing guys. When I complain, it's life, so I make you guys know it go. But tomorrow still people, I'll drop down at my place and get some work done on the house and thing, because it would have good, you know. Even though it might rain tonight, because I get rain like early morning, them time, you know, like 1, 2 o'clock, them time they look rain fall. So, and not much, because the past couple of weeks I like rain every single day and night. So rain fall like 1 hour, 2 hour. I don't know, it's improvement. So tomorrow still, I'm going to my house and get some work done. Because I don't think there are people after outside, you know. Yeah, for the Christmas, we want to start block up the house until we can take it off, you know. Yeah man guys, I'm going to still, I'm going to in the near future. I'll get the house done and thing and then turn our Airbnb, you know. So all who want Airbnb in Jamaica, just link up. I cut down them land people in bush land there. You see. Get 2 tractor, dig them down and thing. And make a big scheme up in the hills. See? Get the sea view too. So you know say a vibes. That's will be the farming. This will be the scheme and you can go see a river whenever you want. People link up, you know. See? We got the land here, but we just need the funds. So once the funds come through people, then the rest up I'll cut down. And I buy some more pig too. I'll sell them on the car when I give me too much trouble. Every day, them bust on the pen and come away so come eat and plant them. So I can sell them. Them too bad. You know that? Hey, bite me now. Bye, man. What's the Yeah man guys, I don't know things already, so soon and very soon. Christmas I sell them drone for, you know, make some money and buy up some material for my house. So there I know still, and I go over there outside of the farm, make you guys one. Yeah man guys, I know, nah man pretty man. It's a farming still, that vibe you know, nothing great. You know what this is? Do you know what this is? Good for you, you know. The other day when Jess was here, Jess was saying, small things up by your farm. Yes, get some crap by us, chop it in. If you catch, you know. And then within 1 2 years, I can have plants can, you know, transplant and keep it going from there. But for now, still, we still can't take it easy some people, I'm saying before. I'm going now, man. Tomorrow, I want to jump out and do some work on the house and thing. With a nice. And then from there, we still can got like 1 2 3 pass deck off, and then we can start lay block, you know. So you deck off them part there, and then I don't know. Come December, until you know, deck it off, we can stay for 2 weeks, and then pull it back down and keep it going, you know. Yeah, and then that's it. Alright, guys, so now I'm here on the other side of the farm, you know. We here one part, we here one part. You understand? No walking. So I couldn't bother for doing recording, so I just stopped recording and walked over here. So now I'm going to chill and go and think about Ackee them, you know, the plant tree car. Pick them, they first went up there and catch some, and them up again. So I wonder, some gold still. I pick some Ackee in there, not even because like past 4 now, so pick some Ackee before night come down, you know. I bird them still people, they park them up here. Every time them see Ackee, they go in the tree and eat Ackee them, you know. I don't want to do that. So you can climb a tree in there still. Go for the leather and the stick and pick some Ackee in there, you know. So that's gonna stay too. But I'm here still on the okra farm, and that's a nice one. What is it? Yes, or two. But the Congo them people, them now gonna go dinner. Yes, swell off there, Congo still. But everything else are people are planted, you know. Yeah, within a couple months, them active months. For a big old plant field, where so. Alright guys, so I know we're going out to the thing now. You got some okra trees, I said before. Plant some small one, you know, have big one, and go on them thing. I look a small patch side there, you know. But Congo them want to show the people. Them are moving too fast. They're moving too fast, my people. Them not going good. One tree. I can drop down. You see people? But we got some trees still like these on, just start brushing one thing. These one wanna start shoot it. And I wanna drop down. And it's a shoot, you know, people. And we know, that's how it stays. That's just people, that's just nature, you know. Come through them. Like him trouble. But we active still, we active. Hungry man gone for the Christmas. Can't sit down. One step now. So before people, these ones are like one of the next farm, you know. These ones don't grow that big tree. Don't grow that white tree. So you can see them grow like a limb. And then producing a lot. So yeah, more okra still. Well, aren't like this, you know, or the other one. But okra for me. So you know, fat. You want the people, you know. For me, okra, you know. Yeah. No matter how them look out, them shape. So that's why I just okra them name. So there's the people, it's okra. I'm planting. Yeah, so just like other day when Jessica came in, she was like, you got royal palm. This a palm there, that there palm there. Palm a palm. Bean a bean. You know. Just like say like diving now people. Let's say you have I don't know. Snapper, jack, you know what the idea all my still fish but I don't know. Different but all of them look the same to me. So okra, palm a palm. You understand? Yeah people. Active now man. That tree gonna start up it. I wanna say that nigga, you load it no. So you go up in there even and come now and them get bite up by them part you know. So same can find one 10 dozen a night. Yeah. Give something to my brother and car. We outside you know. So people stay tuned. You go up in that tree there and go flip it and a stick and a pan. And then no circle, I know. Alright guys, so also from the other day I've been seeing plenty birds because the Ackee are open. Every now and then I go there. I see plenty birds in that tree. We got other spots still up here where Ackee are open, you know. So I wonder if you guys think I must start shoot some birds because I'm going to St. Elizabeth, link my brother went bird on them. Didn't bingo, but it was a vibe still. So comment down below I think I must start shoot some birds, you know. Yeah. So I'm catch and cook 5. I'm going to come and follow them. Corey, come on, foul. It's some ball dumpling. People, the right thing, you know. Just some there, you know. I'm going to go and chill and thing and said I'm going to pick Ackee them after that tree there. And same time, I got a call from a subscriber. She just in Jamaica, you know, and she'll leave this week. She need Ackee. See what people. So they want to say God and time, you know. So see if we can find one 10 dozen on the tree. And this morning pick some still, but it was supposed to go, but it's still here. Now add these ones to it and then hopefully we can find one 10 dozen, you know. Yeah. And make some money in idea. Why not? Yeah, man, people, you know. I just job works. See where them? Ackee man yo. What for? Ackee feel weeks up that tree. Baby, Ackee feel weeks. Go down man. People, Ackee feel weeks, I tell you. Not days, you know. Actually, weeks and months and years. Ackee in a bunch, my people. Believe that man. I'll go down still and see what I was still. Nothing guarded. Because I'm not going to be able to see it right now. The camera record wide now so I can see them. When the rain fall in a fall upon your roof alone. If I fall by the roof. Just like people question, look over there. Look over there. Moon boy. I'm here so. Can't people see how boy. So people don't see how far bird them come and thief Ackee them. Over there top. You see how far man chop? Trouble night there. That tree there. Soon start with me, you know. And I want it too. I want it so. Ackee for days, man. They might be there, you know, so. They were deciding on Ackee tree. piece on them I do man. Sure. People can't see it. Paste it good. Next stick people. I don't know what it is, you know. Like them guy with a bush, but I look a fine stick and use it. They're well fine. I'll pick them up like now, man. You know. It's on. So right, is that it? Lifestyle. So now me, you know. Use the one year people, you know. From the boy, either people, Ackee fit deals, Ackee fall like rain, I tell you. Me want 10,000 idea. So, I have to set the open eye tree top. Can't go see so. Make some money, you know. If I find that is it. Me and them brother people, they found what's up that battlefield there right now, me and them brother. That's Ackee them pull so. Them come to my tree, come Ackee them. And then go up on every Ackee and pick it 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then lose my Ackee them now. The kind of brother. I'm going to shoot them brother on the chance. You wait guys, just wait. Soon I'm very soon I'm gonna be out there man, do my sing shot. Wait one car pass now. People can't buy car, you know. Make the car pass and then stop it again. Look like a flow. People are flow, you know. Flow them people in my lane with them bad Wi-Fi. The kind of guys, every time on the rain fall, flow, cell service stop work. But see, as mountain come, they knock off all of your service. Or if your service not done, they knock off it. And the Wi-Fi bill juice up. They knock off it. When am I going to park? What them people, man? Just that works. Yeah, the children. People come and can't say I kill them properly. The tree full of beer, limb, you know. Yeah, yes. Cook that came with it. Yeah, ball. You're active still, you know. I leave, you know. So I can get them fixed up one thing. People see them flow people now. Alright, so for those who will want to see what we are going to show, I don't know some people don't really like the video without action, you know. No one want to see what I'm going on. So you see your farm there playing Ackee tree. Eh? You guys see your farm right now? Look at manga. Yes, if I drop people, no more Zai, man. I tell you from now. So no spray for me, so I'm not jump out of the tree. Cause true to me both up in the tree. I tell people, I said these Ackee, I tell you brother. Juke me on you know man. I say, Ackee them out the gate. Yeah, I'm have to be around for call them brother. Ackee people, Ackee feel weak up in the tree you know man. What them birds you see? These birds giving me a fight so I want to Ackee them. Like them for Ackee tree. I just works. What's going on up here? Guys, so I see a stick well skinny. I'm fine. Come on. But can go so People who full no more can't pass even the car. I can't in the road. That tell them vehicle yeah. And the pass even brother. Until they finish picking them. When I see my friends become my enemy, I stay far. Cause I know dirty I can't sweep with broom. Oh, them wanna put your feet. Like if you can learn to working at small spaces, you know. Cause they can't up here and like say you're a Superman. I drop yeah, drop far too. Go down man. Oh no. No follow call for IG. Oh no. Yes, I'm getting there my people. I'm getting here bit by bit. Pick by pick man get there, you know. No you guys love swag on my tree, you know. Oh you see that one. That is it. People them place I have to just leave, you know. Right now in anybody want this for themselves, you know. Body want house and care and family and health, you know, and well so can't anybody them place and pray people or watch people and chat people them place of people where if you make some millions for them place and comfortable because body person rich, you know. I mean I wouldn't reach as yet and work towards it, so person don't really have time for it. Yeah. But the person want to make millions and just lock away. You know what I mean? But not time for in your face like a blockade. But the person focus on themselves and you know, them goals and them dreams. Get a house and get a family. Get them have some vehicle and just live, you know, travel and see the world. Because the world is there, you know. You think already. And at this time for your experience to have like a foundation away. If anything go on and the world can come back home and alright then. You know what I mean? Yes, I feel one any day. So I just circle, you know, because other day I'm saying before people, other day I did a flag and thing from the same tree, and I was singing some song, you know, and bro was like, me I was some high meditation, but I just say go. When they at peace with yourself and with the world, different vibe and just you and God and nature, you know, and not really bother you. But I'm back at chatting and gossiping and everything there, bro. Them thing there, you know, kind of drain energy. Cause you did, yes, so. And then idea what you do for yourself isn't being done, you know. But guys, just say come down, man. You know, think guys, people are people and they can't be like people. Be yourself and focus on yourself and idea, you know. Yeah. Do what you like and do what you love, and then that's just that. And that's what I'm trying to tell you, what they can't want the same thing, because even though me and might live the same place or we grew up together, you know, me want something different from you. Even if we are twin, still means different, you know. So that's part of the game. That's just life, understand? You know, think some persons like bikes, some person like cars, some person like boat. You know, think already, yeah, someone where just want to live and travel, you know. See it? Fellow people. You can't get me up on a bike, you know. I must be mad to be running for it. Power bike. That's life, you know. The kind of people in idea, you cannot force your lifestyle on somebody else, you know, because everybody else has their own life to live, you know. And who's you to judge? No one is perfect, you know. So, that's so you have to just know what you want and do it for yourself, because in a day, what you do for you might not be for me, you know. So, I just say, in a day, that's how I live different. That's how you know you name, you know. No way at all. I just stick by yourself, make money and build up a house and stay, so you know things that nobody really know. One people, lifestyle, you know. This is a Ackee pick moment. You outside. You outside, my people. But I know. Make one jump around. Don't be like me. Do not be like me. Some fish I know, I go and chill, because I don't know it was a hectic climb, you know. I'm uncle and good enough people. So I go and chill and then I go down. And go for the big pan. Get Ackee the day and thing. And tomorrow, get them deliver, you know, but I'm not sure because rain will come and I don't want to catch them on the road. You know what I mean there? But people outside still. Nothing really. Just go and do nothing. Do you like and do you love. Understand? Don't do it because other people. Just live because in a day we are gonna die. You understand? So just live life. Go and live your life. Cause tomorrow promise to no man. Just live life on the edge. Because we might die tonight. Bombs away! Alright, got the worst. Come on now, man. Show them climb tree them people. Show them climb on a neighbor tree them. The kind of tree you need body strength, you know. You need lots of arm strength to be able to climb trees. A professional. So do some push-up, you know, and some pull-ups. You're good to go. Within 2 weeks you're good. Go and live your life. Is that Ackee over there? Is that Ackee over there? No. What is it? There's some Ackee over here. Okay. People hopefully not carrying past the car. Ackee in the road now. Go and live your life. It's still breathing. Then we okay guys, they don't ask me like, you know, why me just how me is, but in a day still I'm learning in life from me much younger. Once you have an eye on your paper, you can't solve over this. But in life, once you have your focus on yourself, then everything else is just like distraction, you know. You know them way there? If you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. Yeah, but oh, that tree I know still. And custom Ackee them on the roadside because I don't care pass and crush them out, you know. And I stone them carry. But still I go on, I'm going to throw them on that tree so we can get. Yeah man guys, so I'm going to try and pick Ackee them. So the bird I mean I work. They want done them, I'm gonna get done. Take them easy. These birds, I tell them man, they don't play. Alright guys, and so I go on now. So let's see then man. I'm going back. We got some more to the house, actually people. Bunch nice, bunch Ackee. Just my house then come. One take back later up by the house and then get the box carry it down here, so. Very easy, you know. Back down here, so. Let that go back and then sunset badness, you know. See some of the people have people this. Yeah man guys, right about now I'm kinda finished, you know, for the day. Go to box them Ackee, you know, and then go for the rest of the house. Box them too, and then that's it, you know. You understand? So like the video and share the video, comment and do. Subscribe people, subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Understand? Stay tuned for tomorrow content people, because I don't know. We got some viewers where like the house thing, some like the fishing thing, some like, you know, so tomorrow is the out project day, you know, so go down the house tomorrow, put in some work, and you guys will swear on. Hopefully we get good weather, you know, that is the aim for tomorrow. Good weather and work ethics. Yes, people know the big ready. Bye, we die. I want to do some finance after how much time I can pay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. No, sir. I can't count. Lord of God, I don't have this. 3, 6, 9, like you know. Boy, I need to go back to school now. 3, 4, 3, so. 6, 9. Hey man guys, you know, so overall, it's perspective. We got 4 Ackee, you know. Over the house now and see what we can find for the house. Probably want to see them with 4 inside there. You know what I think already. Understand? This is a lifestyle of a farmer, you know. Yeah man people, because the person been say I'm full of talent. Because I'm a farmer, I'm a painter and all that. I just say, you know, I just got gift. Can't cruff. You know what I think, guys? Find something to make some money, you know. You know what I mean? Stick man. Go someone, sure. Like you want to kill me half people. No, no. But finish for the day still, I don't know. It's almost night, so I'm gonna call it a day. And stay tuned for more uploads, you know. Like now, man. Go side. Oh, no, man. Sure. Like you want to marry Dominic. Everywhere active. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 12. 3, 12. So people, I think it doesn't know. 3, 6, 6, 9, 12. So that no. So 10 does now 6, 10 does now.